What are you making, Sarah? A ducky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. What colors do you have, Sarah? Red? And do you have green? Yeah.
Making the ocean.
You making the ocean, Bessa?
With red and green.
With red and green. Very nice.
Papa, let's go paint. Okay. Paint.
That's right. Are we painting? Very nice. You too. Yay, Sarah. How does the paint feel in your fingers, Sarah? It feels good? Yeah. How do you like your brushes, Bethy?
Good.
Yeah. Okay. Good, I'm glad.
Go paint, go paint, go paint. What are these pockets for?
I think for putting things in if you need to put things in a pocket.